Did you know that you can use your Xbox controller to play on a PS4? It sounds crazy, right? But it's true, and today I'm going to show you how to make it happen step by step. So sometimes your PS4 controller stops working, or maybe you just like how the Xbox controller feels in your hand. So that can be super frustrating when all you want to do is play your favorite games, and don't worry, I got you covered. So here we go. First, you're going to need a special device called a Brook Super Converter, okay? This small plug connects your Xbox controller to your PS4 and it works like magic. Next, you're going to try the Titan 1 adapter. It's easy to use. It also lets you use Xbox buttons on your PS4 games. Another cool option is the Cronus Zen. This one even lets you set custom button combos, which is awesome for tricky levels. Now, you can also use the Remote Play app on your PC or your phone. So you connect your Xbox controller to your device and then use it to control your PS4 through the app, okay? Last thing is you can try the REA Snow S1 adapter, REA Snow S1 adapter. It's a little advanced, but it's great for serious gamers who want full control. So now it's your turn. Like, comment, subscribe. See you later. Ciao.